Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the 3D benchmark test comparison between the MI11X versus the IQ7 device. So let's see friends which phone will be able to give us the better 3D benchmark test results. So that is what my point of doing this kind of video. So during this time I'll try to use this kind of option which is a wildlife stress test, so which will be running for about 20 minutes of time, and during this time I'll try to use the 80% of the brightness levels, not the 100%, 80% of the brightness levels in both phones, and with 120 Hz refresh rate turned on as well. So let's see which phone is going to perform really good results. And I have started the test, and is the temperature from the MI11X 38 degrees and IQ7 is also 38 degrees. So both are at 38 degrees and room temperature is also 34 degrees right now. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better results, and this test will run about 20 minutes of time of duration. So in terms of the battery percentage level, so let me try to show you 67% in this MI11X, and in this IQ7 device 67%. So same battery percentage is present in both phones. So we'll get to know these two things. So which phone will be able to decrease a little bit kind of battery, and which phone will be able to maintain really good temperatures. 39, 38. So both are at 38 in the beginning, but right now they are trying to increase one by one. So let's see friends what will happen after 20 minutes of testing this both phones continuously. Again I'll be back after some time of testing this and make sure to check the playlist for more details in case if you are interested in any other type of videos. So do let me in the comments below. During this time of demonstration, one thing I did observe is that the temperature in these phones are getting really hotter and hotter friends. So let me try to check the temperatures right now in this IQ7 and in this MI11X device. So which phone is kind of high temperature? So right now in this MI11X we are getting about 42.4 degrees, 42.4, and that is a maximum 42.6 we have reached. And this IQ7 device, let's see, 45.4 degrees, as you can see, 45.4, 43, 45.8. You can clearly see friends the difference how much it is. So right now as you can see friends, the test has been successfully completed in this wildlife stress test, so which is run for 20 minutes, and the stability you can see here, so it went up to 83.5%, as you can clearly see friends, 83.5%. and whereas in this IQ7 device it's still at stability is about 99%, as you can clearly see. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness, 99.2%. And you can see the scores between the loop 1, loop 2 and loop 3. So how it is between the both phones, how they are performing, as you can clearly see friends. So it's maintaining around exactly same stability during this time of stress test. So this is another test which is a performance range as well. How is the temperatures and everything is going on, as you can see. Temperature 38 degrees to 44 degrees and 38 degrees to 46 degrees. So definitely the temperature in this IQ7 got much higher than the MI11X device, as you can see here. The performance did not decrease, but the temperature is slightly high, and the battery percentage right now dropped from 67 to 60% and 67 to 56% during this time of performance levels, as you can clearly see friends the difference how it is. So battery and the frame rates. So this is how the both are in both phones, as you can clearly see. So thank you friends for watching this video, and this is a quick 3D benchmark test in this both phones. So I hope you like this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe, and definitely make sure to follow me regularly. Every day I'll try to come up with a new different content. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.